everyone, I hope you all are doing well by the blessings of the Almighty. It's been 4 months in quarantine, literally 4 months, and I tried to add my memories in my quarantine diary, but it's been 9 vlogs. 9 silent vlogs I have added in my quarantine memory. It's often raining in Dhaka city. Literally every day it's raining in Dhaka city. And the view from my balcony and the daily life became the same. It's been 4 months and the quarantine is not over yet. So I was a little bit, frustrated, tense with it. What new left? So as a creator, content creator, as a vlogger, I became frustrated. So I know that seeing the same thing in every video, you also may be thinking that what next. So I was sharing that thing with my cousins, and then my cousins came up with the idea that they want to share their quarantine memories with my viewers. They are only school going kids, so I hope you can ignore their mistakes. And what do you think about the video and their memories? Don't forget to let me know in the comment section below, and I hope that you guys are maintaining hygiene properly. So on that note, stay home, stay safe, and last but not the least, hit like, subscribe, and keep praying for me. Thank you.